Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to use your own networking equipment, enabling bridge mode on an Xfinity router can help simplify your setup by allowing another router to handle network management duties. Many users switch to bridge mode when they want more control over advanced networking features, improved customization options, or a different Wi Fi system. The process is usually straightforward, but it's important to make changes carefully since enabling bridge mode affects how the Xfinity router operates on your network. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to place an Xfinity router into bridge mode. Try these. Step 1. Connect a device to the Xfinity router. Step 2. Sign into the Xfinity router settings. Step 3. Locate network options on the Xfinity router. Step 4. Enable bridge mode on the Xfinity router. Step 5. Save changes to the Xfinity router. Step 6. Connect your secondary router to the Xfinity router.